Hello everyone and welcome to day 10 of me and the Cup of Doom doing its thing. Okay, I'm going for it. I want to get something different. I've got like the same people so far giving me these prompts. I think I've picked the same one again. Oh, it's pencil. Everything in the garden is roses. Okay, that's my dad. I've actually got. We figured it out. Yeah, this is my dad. He wrote in pencil. So this was my dad's. Definitely my daughter's. That's my mum. Daughter. Boyfriend. Daughter. Yeah, boyfriend. Yeah. Oh. Lost. Boyfriend? Or mum? Mum. There you go. It's amazing how little you know your family's handwriting. And no, mum. Whose is that? That's his. Oh, I'm lost. Yeah, boyfriend, mum, dad, I think. Anyway, we're doing everything in the garden is roses, which I assume he means everything is lovely, which is nice. How do you draw lovely? We'll figure it out. Okay, this didn't turn out lovely. That's not the way I went. This is it's kind of a rushed one. It's Saturday. I've got my kids. I've got stuff to do. Adulting and reality, but yeah, I took it in a different way. I'm thinking people who say everything is everything in the garden is roses. It kind of means everything is fine, everything is great. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything's okay. And that's what she's doing. They basically, again, I haven't written it. Still haven't. Oh blimey, story. Right, okay. Ping. There you go. That's what I come up with anyway. But essentially, yes, they go inside because it looks like a lovely quaint windmill, all friendly and stuff, and they find this lady. I was going for like an older lady, like, you know, you'd find. It's going quite fairy tale-ish, this story. So you know, in the abandoned house in the woods, there'd be the witch kind of thing. But I ended up going in a different vein just because she seems to have these pigtails or bunches. So yeah, there you go. Anyway, look, she's wearing a rose. Everybody. I used the rose, I really did. And then I spent ages trying to rub something out on her mouth and then realised, oh, hang on, that's pen. Anyway, so yeah, she is kind of like grinning maniacally, going, everything's fine, people. Everything's fine. The garden's all right. It's all going to be all right. Come to me, child. Come to me. I'll protect you. Yes, I will. Like that. But yeah, the girl who now, yeah, she's going to scoop up Edmund and go inside. Yeah, no, she's off. She's running. She's out of here. There's something severely wrong. So she's going to carefully scoop up the flower that she broke. And I'm sitting back at the moment thinking, what am I doing with this? I don't know. How do I colour it in? Oh, Copics, come and save me again. But yeah, she's going to scoop up the flower and try and fix all this because something has broken by her simply, you know, the straw that broke the camel's back kind of thing. This is, you know, the last little flower has got broken and that's it now. But that's story-wise, that's what I'm about to write down anyway. Did a bit of a mistake here because it was like, where does this hair go? So I had to sort of go over a bit, but luckily I made the hair black so I could. Trying to make sort of shines in the hair to give the idea that it's all like curly. I was thinking Edmund's hair really, so it's kind of this curly hair to try and give that idea. I'm never too sure where the light is supposed to go. Same with shoes. Like where do I put the shiny bit? Where's the shiny bit? You know, with faces and stuff, I generally just shade one side of the face and look, that's in darkness, that's shadow, I'm testing colours because I decided to make her skin pink, not the skin colours that we have, but an actual like unbelievable like a pink to make her look a bit more cartoony, a bit more, I don't know, otherworldly. I don't think people have this colour skin tone exactly, but this other one I'm using is a bit more skin tony, so I go over it and again and make it more pink. But I quite like that. And then I wasn't sure that with the mouth, I really ummed and ahed about what bits should be shaded black. So it's sort of like I ended up making her mouth, teeth slightly apart, just because that seemed to be right. And then I sort of and ah about what colour to do her gums in. So yeah, that's interesting. But yeah, I'm shading it. I'm shading it. This is me shading stuff and leaving the eyes white. I decided to do the rose in orange just to kind of match the tangerines and what's growing around the windmill door, just to sort of link that up. And then I colour her little... Oh yeah, she's got this was sort of a throwback to her being an older person, so I guess it's a bit more confusing in that way because she's got quite a young hairstyle, but these sort of older, very prim, proper clothes on her. So she's got a string of pearls, and it's like a frothy top, let's call it that. But yeah, and I just coloured her bobble things in same colour as the rose. And yeah, I go for it with the gums. They're bright red, or well, it's not quite bright red, is it? It's still sort of a pinky red, but compared to the rest of it, it's quite bright. So I was going for creepy, and then just a slightly darker pink on the lips. I didn't want it to be like makeup or anything, just like skin tone, but your lips are generally darker. So anyway, that's what I ended up with, and I got a little bit brave, only a little bit brave, because my pen is running out, so I couldn't colour the whole thing in. I might go back, but I just do a sort of like she's in shadows, there's all shadowy inside here. I was going to make it all nice, but then I thought, nah. So for the story wise, yeah, that's what I come up with when I think of everything the garden is roses. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. How are you doing? Are you doing all right? Comments down below. How are you in all of this stuff? But anyway, hopefully I will see you tomorrow for whatever comes. I've got my sons. I still haven't had any of my sons, and they are apparently hilarious. So we shall see, but thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and all of that awesome stuff. And just as I finish, I love watching this in fast forward, but anyway, I will hopefully see you tomorrow. Bye.